Hello everyone, welcome to KESHU Knowledge Factory. Please type answer in comment box if you know the answer. Question 1. Who is the father of computers? A. James Gosling. B. Charles Babbage. C. Dennis Ritchie. D. Bjarne Stroustrup. Answer is B. Charles Babbage. Question 2. What is the full form of CPU? A. Computer Processing Unit. B. Computer Principal Unit. C. Central Processing Unit. D. Control Processing Unit. Answer is C. Central Processing Unit. Question 3. Which of the following is the brain of the computer? A. Central Processing Unit. B. Memory. C. Arithmetic and Logic Unit. D. Control Unit. Answer is A. Central Processing Unit. Question 4. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a computer? A. Versatility. B. Accuracy. C. Diligence. D. Intelligence quotient. Answer is D. Intelligence quotient. Question 5. Which of the following is the smallest unit of data in a computer? A. Bit. B. KB. C. Nibble. D. Byte. Answer is A. Bit. Question 6. MS Word is an example of A. An operating system. B. A processing device. C. Application software. D. An input device. Answer is C. Application software. Question 7. CTRL, Shift and Alt are called A. Modifier key. B. Function key. C. Alphanumeric key. D. Adjustment key. Answer is A. Modifier key. Question 8. Where is RAM located? A. Motherboard. B. Expansion board. C. External drive. D. None. Answer is A. Motherboard. Question 9. The first computer was programmed using A. Assembly language. B. Machine language. C. Spaghetti code. D. Source code. Answer is B. Machine language. Question 10. The first mechanical computer designed by Charles Babbage was called A. Supercomputer. B. Abacus. C. Calculator. D. Analytical engine. Answer is D. Analytical engine. Question 11. Computer monitor is also known as A. DVU. B. UVD. Century VDU. D. CCTV. Answer is CVDU. Question 12. The output shown on the computer monitor is called A. VDU. B. Hard copy. C. Soft copy. D. Screen copy. Answer is C. Soft copy. Question 13. 8 bits make up a byte. B. Megabyte. C. Kilobyte. D. None. Answer is A. Byte. Question 14. Which one of these also known as read memory? A. ROM. B. RAM. C. DVD. D. Hard disk. Answer is B. RAM. Question 15. The printed output from a computer is called A. Copy. B. Soft copy. C. Hard copy. D. Paper. Answer is C. Hard copy. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. धन्यवाद.